Everybody is curious about the space and the universe. So that way I also was very curious. When I got an opportunity to lead the team of Aditya L1, I took it.
What was the moment when you knew that space science was your calling?
My father used to tell me a lot of stories about the Marie Curie and physics and things. So I got interested in physics. Later I did my engineering. I came into this engineering field of spacecrafts. Everybody is curious about the space and the universe. So that way I also was very curious. When I got an opportunity to lead the team of Aditya L1, I took it.
How do you balance having a scientific rigor while also maintaining a sense of curiosity and imagination about the world?
Thanks to ISRO, because ISRO started doing space missions, because the original goal of ISRO was to have application missions for improving the quality. That was with the goal the ISRO was started. So once we got self-sufficiency in that, we moved into the space science mission. Because once we started, then the space science got integrated into the technical field. So there is no way that we need to special steps to balance or anything. It got already integrated.
What's one surprising or lesser known fact about the sun that you think more people should know about?
Coronal heating, that many are not aware, I feel, because if you see the thermodynamics principle, when there is a heat or that as the heat wave travels, the temperature normally should reduce. But in this case of corona, that suddenly the temperature increases to million Kelvin So that was a puzzling thing for many of the scientists those days, and now people are exploring to really exactly find out what causes this phenomena to rise and defying the thermodynamics law.
What's one book you would like to recommend to every student, be it them in STEM or otherwise?
I feel the Einstein's theory of relativity, that is the one always, because that's the ultimate, I feel, that defines everything. And Stephen Hawking's space and time. You will become more humane when you study all those things.
What was your first impression of Ashoka's campus and your interactions with students? How has it been?
I was very much impressed by the campus. First I entered into the campus, I felt like you are in Caltech, because the way the architecture was very nice and the students are really energetic and vibrant.
What role do you think interdisciplinary universities like Ashoka play in shaping the future of science and innovation in our country?
We need to do more on more fundamental research, I feel. We collaborate with like ISRO, like agencies where you can really put your science into application. So that way you can collaborate, and one side fundamental research also should go on, so that once it is matured enough, it should flow into the stream of application.
Do you have a message you would like to give to every young girl dreaming to pursue something in the STEM field today?
Perseverance and hard work. There is no alternate for that.